Imagine a land flowing with milk and honey, where your trading dreams come true. But to prosper, you must follow these commandments. First, thou shalt not hold losing trades and cut winners. Let go of the losses and let your profits run. Second, thou shalt not blame your trading strategy for the emotional decisions you make. Own your choices. Third, thou shalt not hold on to your expectations when price action has proved them wrong. Adapt and thrive. Fourth, thou shalt not stop learning and journaling your trades. Continuous improvement is key. Fifth, thou shalt not risk more than a set percentage per trade. Protect your capital. Sixth, thou shalt not bring your money goals into trading. Focus on being a good trader, not just making money. Seventh, thou shalt not bring emotional baggage from your last trade and your life into your next trade. Heal before you trade. Eighth, thou shalt not prioritize your entry more than your exit. Plan your exits meticulously. Ninth, thou shalt not blame anyone but yourself for where you are as a trader. Take full responsibility. 10th, thou shalt not hop trading systems. Consistency is your ally. I have spent over 7 months compiling top-notch Forex study materials. For a small fee, I will save you months of searching so you can focus on learning.